Good evening, Pat. Henrik here. So this is my final GitHub project for the applied data science for the pipelines project. I did, yes, change my data set to a sleep efficiency data set, and then I followed some of your instruction about creating links for the applications that I use, and these are, yes, actual links. And then here I got two notebooks, the PyCaret pipeline in the sklearn. And then here I did use, same as yours, the viewer. And first is the PyCaret pipeline. And then this is the part where where I imported the libraries. And then this is the data loading. These are my very small data set. And then here I did drop DNA, excuse me, but I didn't really use it. In here, I did save an unseen. Um, I took 50 rows, and here, just checking the shape of the data set, and then this is the initializing the training environment, and I did run this, but I just took these three as I think these are the better for the data set, the three models. And then this is the um, create, tune, and finalize model now. And that's for the extra trees. And then this is for the, what's that RF again? Random, and then the other one is the GBR at the bottom. Um, and then I do have the yellow brick, which I got from the last class, I believe. And here are, yeah, first actually I was using the classification yellow brick code. I forgot, I didn't know that we have a separate one for the regression. And yeah, I was getting an error with the classification. I think there's an extra in here that needed to be removed. But yeah, found it. And here's the scores. And then for the other one, the scikit, here are the libraries that I used. And then this is the loading the data. I did use the entire data set, including the NA with the NA with missing ones. And then this is the removing the unseen, the 50. And then this is the separating the sleep efficiency column to the rest of the data set. This is straightening the data set. This is the separating the non-object to the object data types and saving them to separate variables. And this is now the creating a pipeline for numericals. And I did use an imputer. I did added the NP NAN as it's not working without it, and I use mean for the impute. And then here is the category one. I used the NA to fill for fill value, and also I added the NP NAN there. This is the combination for column transformer for both, for the two. And that's what I got. And then this is building the model. I did use the three again models that I use for the PyCaret one. Where is that? That's not going to be on top. There's this three. All right. So yeah, they use the GBR, the RF, and the ET. And these are some of the measurements. But down here, oh yeah, these are just the tests that to show to us. And this is the scores, and comparing that to what we have in here, and scroll down. Oh no, yeah, here. Okay, so the ET, I do have 0.88, and that's 0.71 there. The RF, that's 88 for the R squared, and then that's a higher one. And then the that's my R squared, 89, and then 92. Sorry about that. And then where's my GBR? Oh yeah, that was my GBR. I'm blind. That's my GBR is 89, and then here it's a little lower. And then the RF is 88, and then that's 92. Okay, that's not so far in difference. And then this one's 88, and then that's 71. Um, yeah, that's about it. And have a good night.